Hey, what are you doing up there?
We need to wash this thing. We raced it last weekend, which that's going to be a good video. But you're here for the Eleanor build, so let's get back to it. You're watching Earl's Gone Wild. So before we cut the roof off on this car, we got to put the doors on so that I can get the alignment to the B-pillar. So when I cut this B-pillar off and the new one comes on, I'll be able to use that door to get the body aligned correctly. But before we put the door on, I've got to replace the A-pillar because the A-pillar base sits behind the door hinge. So we'll have to do kind of a piece together part to get the A-pillar replaced, then get the door on, then cut the whole top off. So here we go. Gross.
That is one big pile of shit.
Let's see if we can make some bad decisions. So we found I think we found the plug in our air lines. So we should have better air now, so it actually blows this metal away instead of just making a mess. I don't know what to say because I don't know what I'm doing.
What do you think it's stuck on?
It's like a giant Lego set. But I don't have the instructions. I've got the A-pillar trimmed down, so it's just the inner structure left. The deeper I dig into it, the more I gotta replace. Cut. So I've got the lower piece of the inner A-pillar replaced and the upper part of the A-pillar structure. And now this piece is the finished part of the A-pillar. And I've got it all clamped in place. So we're gonna weld her in now. Alright, so I believe what we gotta do is press these pins out, hammer some new ones back in. So with the new A-pillar done, we got the hinges all sandblasted, rebuilt. I was able to get this door hung and we got the adjustment in it. So we got the body lines lined up. So on to the next side.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods. Top-notch hoes with the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure. Trendsetter, the one who get the weather. Swerving while I'm bumping Project Petter. Yeah, rolling through the city with the big dogs. smart. My barber got me looking proper every single time.
Well, it kind of fits. That's good news. So I got the door bolted on. I got it adjusted pretty well to get that body lines and stuff matched up. It's a little off, but I got to do body work anyway when that scoop goes on the new piece. Hey, look at these nice gloves, right? Hurt myself a little bit. All right, we're gonna cut the car apart. But before we just hack it apart, we do want to try to save this side. And because we got the old fender, the old door, we're gonna try to cut this off and maybe make some wall art out of it before we just start hacking it up into pieces. So we'll try to cut out this side as thin as we can. We'll see how that works, and we'll just keep cutting on from there.
Smoky in here. You get cut up in here?
Huh?
What are you, deaf?
You get cut up in there?
Smoky in here.
Success!
Wall art. All right, we got the A-pillar on, the doors hung. We cut all kinds of stuff apart, made a giant mess. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow along, like, subscribe. See you in the next one. This ain't right, but I still want to see it. How's it look?
Sweet.
To be continued.